Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mr. SK Tech. Okay friends, you are seeing my channel Mr. SK Tech. I am your Shashikiran. Okay friends, today's topic is how to make thumbnail by PicsArt app. The thumbnail in the PicsArt becomes more attractive and you can make the thumbnail in variety of types. In this video we are going to see this only friends, because this video is going to be longer one, because it may take 5 minutes 30 seconds or more. Okay friends, let us start the video. Okay, let us go to mobile and you have to go to PicsArt. Let us go to PicsArt friends. I have been uploaded one video related to how to download the PicsArt for free and use it for free without subscription. I will add that video in this I button. Please see that video and please do the PicsArt like this, my tricks. And you have to go to plus sign friends. Click on the plus sign and you have to come down and click on the white background or anything, which type of background you want. And you have to go to tools, crop, and then go to 6:9, that is the thumbnail size. And then go to, then you have to go to add photo. You have to select the photo which you have been captured. Let me select one photo here. Let me select this. Yeah, and you have to go to add and you have to crop it full. Let me crop it correctly and give the space because it looks attractive. And you have to go to text. You have to type how to make, and then you have to go to font. I have been already selected. You can select anything and you have to select color and you have to give little bit stroke because the words are not visible correctly. You can see the words are not visible correctly now. You have to give little bit stroke, black color. And you have to make thumbnail and make thumbnail. Let me do this correctly. No, I have to do thumbnail. I have to type only thumbnail now. You will click on the right mark and you have to go to color again and select the color and give the stroke again friends. You can edit the photos and banner for the channel, everything in this video like this. In the PicsArt you can do these things like this. For that please see my channel and subscribe my channel and give the stroke for this friends. Select appropriate color and yeah, this is correct now. And again you have to click on the text and you have to type everything. By PicsArt. Click on the color which you want. Give the stroke. And you have to click on the photo and you have to add the app image. you have to click on the right mark and you have to save, click on the save, and you have to again click on the save, and you have to select gallery, and it will be exported or saved in the gallery, friends. Like this way we can make the thumbnail by PicsArt, friends. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel and comment on the video. Okay friends, there are two videos related to PicsArt and Pixel Lab. That is how to download PicsArt and Pixel Lab app without any subscription for free, and you do not want to pay for PicsArt and Pixel Lab. Thanks for seeing this video. Okay friends, let us meet in the next video, and please do not let us meet in the next video.